Don't forget to subscribe. This week, artists in Durban took the phrase of Hokosa Traffic quite literally when they came together on N3 and united in what I anticipated to be the most entertaining protest ever. That turned out to be a joke. On the other side, David Blaine, the magician, the illusionist, the trickster, the Houdini of our age, took social distancing a bit too far, like very far, like very far into the sky when he decided to grab a bunch of balloons that lifted him 24,000 feet into the sky until he disappeared into a tiny dot, just so he can fart.
You did a handle?
That's like going to the moon to plant a flag and coming back. That's flexing. Yes, that was during his recent trick called Ascension. What a useless and interesting thing to watch. I mean, I watched it. That was like watching someone taking drugs. Look, I don't know what it's supposed to be like, what to end like, but it was like watching someone downing a whole bottle of vodka in one go. I want it to end well, but I know it's not going to end well. Just like the artist protest in Durban, I didn't know how I wanted it to end. But I knew that somehow it will end with entertainment. Actually, the end doesn't matter. The end doesn't matter. Who cares about the end? The end, forget. For David Blaine, it was a success. For Durban Artists, it ended in traffic, rubber bullets, Durban rocks, memes, and a huge Twitter joke. It was a joke. A good one. Look, I looked at the video myself and I was like, wait. Am I wrong? Can't you? Where are our women here? In this video, I can't see them. Where are the Zipimbokoto?
Watandi abafazi, watandi umkomo.
I mean, where are those girls that are always dancing in your videos with you looking happy? As if this protest turning into a Twitter joke was not bad enough. The Twitter joke campaign was led by this chap. This one, what is six-pack, non-alcoholic hot cross buns. And the whole sentiment of his campaign is to remind everyone that the president once gave artists a phone call and they can give him a phone call. The case in point being these artists wearing t-shirts. He reminded us of those calls that the president made to a handful of artists. The point is just to remind artists that they were the ones who were telling the public to stay at home and wear their masks. How petty is this? And this is where I differ with Mr. Hot Cross Bun. As much as I don't support those greedy promoters in Durban, the idea that Tshepo or Ndhlovu from Kwamashu must suffer because your favorite celebrity had a call with Ramaphosa is wrong. The idea that artists must not participate in campaigns to tell you to stay at home and wear a mask is wrong. It's ignorant of the function that artists can play in your society. Twitter is making these handful of celebrities come across as leaders of the sector or industry. They are not. They serve their own interests, and they should in order to survive. Their action has more to do with their fans, their business interests, and nothing to do with artists or artistry. Now go to the gym when I'm Mr. Hot Cross Bun and give your brain some exercise, some six-pack. Don't be that guy. Don't be one of those guys who are waiting for David Blaine to die so you can remind him, yeah, David had an opportunity to go to somewhere in space in a balloon and he didn't use it. Now he's dead. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Leave a comment and subscribe. Don't be that guy. No.